There's a song beneath the silence, soft enough to pass unnoticed. But every time the world grows still, I can hear it gently build. It moves through every quiet room, like perfume you once used. Not enough to make me cry, but enough to stay tonight. A song beneath the silence, a song beneath the silence plays through the empty parts of days. In every memory left behind, still echoing through my mind. A song beneath what's left unsaid, in every word that never led to all the things we couldn't do, still softly holding you. I don't know where it belongs, somewhere between love and loss. But every time I hear it rise, it brings back your eyes. A song beneath the silence, still playing underneath the silence. There's a voice message I never deleted, buried deep inside my phone. You were calling just to tell me you made it home safe that night. You laughed halfway through the sentence, said you missed me before hanging up. And somehow hearing that now feels almost unbearable. Some memories survive through sound. The voice message I never deleted remains like warmth dissolving through the rain. And every little crack inside your voice still leaves me with this might save me somehow. Outside, the city keeps moving, cars drifting beneath neon light, while I stay frozen in old conversations that ended years ago. Maybe heartbreak is refusing to let someone become silent. The voice message I never deleted still stays through all these lonely days, and every sleepless hour alone still sounds a little like home.